All right, to implement sorting, we're going to use the same approach we have used earlier in this component. So in all these event handlers, as you can see, whenever we change the page or select a different genre, we update the state. This will cause a re-rendering. And then here in the render method, we will figure out what exactly we need to display to the user. So here in handle sort method, we need to call this .setState. Let's call that property sort column. We set this to an object with two properties, path, which we set to this path, and order, which we set to ascending. Now we can simplify this code by removing the duplication. So for now, let's just implement the ascending sort, and then we'll come back and implement the reverse order. So here's our sort column. We should also initialize this in the state. So when the page loads, we know how we are sorting our movies. So, okay, here's the state. So currently we have current page, page size. Now we add one more piece here, sort column. We set the path to title and order to ascending. Now to implement sorting on the client, once again, we're going to use Lodash. So let's import it here. Import underscore from Lodash. Now we go to our render method. So render. Okay. We should do sorting after filtering data. So first we filter, then we sort, and finally we will paginate the data. This is the order we need to implement these operations. So we call underscore.orderBy. The first argument is our input, so the array of filtered movies. The second argument is an array of property names, because we can sort by multiple columns or multiple properties. Here we only have sort by one column, so we pass sort column dot path. Obviously, we need to pick this from the state. So here where we are doing object destructuring, let's pick sort column from the state, sort column. Good. And the third argument is the sort order. So once again, we have an array. Because we can sort by multiple columns, we simply pass sort column dot order. This will return a new array. We call that sorted, and then pass that to our paginate function, sorted. Let's test the application up to this point. So initially, you can see our movies are sorted by their title. If we click the genre column, now all the action movies come first, then comedy, and so on. If we sort by stock, we see our numbers are sorted. Beautiful. So let's go ahead and implement the reverse sort order. Here in handle sort method, we need to make a small change. If this path we're getting here is the same as the path we have in our sort column, we should simply reverse the sort order. Otherwise, we should update the path and set the order to ascending. There are various ways to implement this concept, so here's one way. First, we clone the existing sort column object, so constant sort column. We create a new object, use the spread operator to clone this .state .sort column. Now, if sort column .path is the same as this path that we're getting here, we need to change the sort order. So sort column .order becomes, first we check the existing order. So if sort column .order equals ascending, then we should set it to descending. Otherwise, we set it to ascending. Now, otherwise, if path is different, we should set the path. So sort column .path should be set to the new path. And sort column .order should always be ascending whenever we sort on a new column. And finally, we should update the state based on this new sort column object. Save the changes. Back here. So initially, our movies are sorted by their title in an ascending order. If we click the title again, now they are sorted in a descending order. Let's change the sort column, sort by genre. It's ascending again. One more time. Now it's descending. Perfect. So our sorting is working. However, there is a problem with this implementation, and that's what we're going to look at next.